Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today's subject is computer, lesson number 6, starting the computer. Children, in previous classes, we learned what is computer, uses of computers and parts of the computer, even types of computer also. Now, we are going to know about how to start the computer system. So, how to work. Before working, we should start the computer. So, today we are going to learn about steps of booting. Okay. Now, we'll start the lesson, children. Switching on the computer. Switching on the computer or starting the computer is called booting. What we call that? Booting. Yes. Starting the computer is called booting. First, here are some steps to switch on the computer. First, we should switch on the power supply. First, we should switch on the power supply in the switchboard. Second one, switch on the UPS. If we have connected UPS to our computer system, we should switch on that UPS. Then press the power button to switch on the CPU. Look at the CPU. In that, you should press that power button to switch on the CPU. Fourth one, press the monitor button to switch on the monitor. After that, we should switch on the monitor button to switch on. These are the main steps. First, we should switch on power supply, then UPS, then CPU power button. After that, monitor button. This is the steps to switch on a computer. In these steps, we should switch on the computer. After that, switch on the computer, a working area on window appears on the screen. A working area or window appears on the desktop monitor screen when you switch on the computer. When we switch on the computer, a monitor screen appears. That is called desktop. What is that? Desktop. When we start the computer, the first screen, monitor screen will appear. Look at the picture. That is called a desktop. This is the desktop. In that desktop, just observe, we can see small pictures on the desktop, right? Yes, that small pictures are called icons. What is that? Those are all icons. The first appear screen is called desktop. On the desktop, small pictures are there. That is called icons. Now, we learned that switching on the computer. After that, we can do our work, which program we want to work on it. But this is the steps to switch on the computer. When we switch on the computer, a first monitor screen will appear, that is called desktop. That small pictures are called icons. Just keep in your mind. Small pictures are called icons. When we click on that icons, we can go through their page. Okay. Now, switching off the computer. Now we learned that how to switch on the computer. After our work, we should switch off the computer always. So, we should not switch off directly on the power socket. So, we should switch on in the computer step by step. So, we will learn that first step, in the monitor screen, go start. Click on the start button. Next, click the shutdown button. Just observe the picture, children. The circled one. Yes, you should press on that shutdown. Before that, start button. After that, shutdown. Then wait till the computer has shut down. You should wait for the screen becomes blank. Then switch off the monitor by pressing the button on it. The computer has shut down. After that, switch off the UPS. You should switch off the UPS. Last, you should switch off the power supply. On the power socket, you should shut down. Okay, this is the steps to shut down a system. So, switching on the computer is called booting. The desktop is the first window of the computer. That small pictures are called icons. Switching on the computer, first you should switch on power supply, after that UPS, then CPU, then monitor. To switch off the computer, click on start button, shut down, switch off the monitor, switch off the UPS, switch off the power supply. This is today's lesson, children. How to start and how to shut down. Okay? If you have computer, once you try to on the system and shut down in the proper way. Thank you, children.